What's up everybody, Jarek here from Furious Technology, and today we're going to take a look at the Aukey 20,000 mAh lightning power bank. So let's go ahead and open the box. So right off the bat, you're met with two pieces of literature. You have the user manual for the power bank, as well as your 24-month product warranty. Let's dive into the power bank itself. So it comes with this nice feeling mesh case. And what I like about it is you can store other things with it. So you have like a separate pouch. Open up the case, you're met with the power bank itself. You have the nice Aukey engraved brand here, as well as the power button here, which shows you how much charge you have left. And it shows up with green LED lights. You also have two USB ports. These USB ports have the IE technology. It's just like Power IQ. Essentially what it does is it determines which device is connected to it and it charges it accordingly. For an example, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S8 or Note 8 or LG G6 or any device that has the quick charge feature, these ports are going to adjust itself accordingly. If you have an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10, these ports are going to charge it accordingly. So because the iPhones don't have the quick charge capability, these are just going to charge those phones by the standard speed. You also have the micro USB slot. So that means that you can essentially connect all kinds of devices to this power bank. You can charge up your iPhone and iPad or tablet, Samsung, whatever the case may be, this power bank is going to do that for you. I picked it up off of Amazon for only a couple bucks. I think I paid about 30 bucks for it. Here's the thing, it is a bit weighty. It's over 13 ounces, but luckily I don't mind that too much because I use my phone a lot, and this is definitely going to help me out with that. Not only can you charge your phone or your tablet with it, but you can charge your photography equipment with it, which is pretty awesome. So all of you photographers out there, pick this up off of Amazon. You'll thank me later. Anyways, that does it for the unboxing of the Aukey 20,000 mAh lightning power bank. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.